My name is Crystal Wing, and we are here to unravel some frustration with your high drive dog. And that can be your frustration, it can be your dog's frustration, maybe it's a client that you work with, maybe you're thinking about getting a high drive dog. What is the stimulation threshold of the drive? So we're talking about how easy or difficult is it to trigger that drive. How much intensity does the dog carry out the drive actions? That's, how fast the dog pursues, how hard the dog maybe bites in that case, relative to their physical capabilities too. These are all indications of intensity. So how strong is the dog's prey drive? So how much difficulty is the dog willing to overcome in order to engage in that drive activity and to satisfy that drive, the goal? Goal of defense behavior is to create avoidance behavior in the threatener. So once the dog experiences this threat, there's worry, there's concern. So the trigger of defense is the feeling of worry, so the stimulus creates worry, the action is aggression, and the goal is to make the worry go away. Now, there's a couple different types of this. There's active and there's passive. With active defense, you have the type that bites first. They don't want to get bit, they're just going to bite and ask questions later. Or they probably won't even ask questions later. This is my dog, Ike. But there are two types of passive defense, the ones that bark and stand their ground, and they rely on biting only when the threat won't go away, the worry won't go away and keeps advancing. And then also you have the third one, or the second passive type, as Armin classifies them. They bark, they growl, but they're retreating.